Ready? Start. The appellant herein, the Chandigarh Housing Board hereinafter referred to as the board is constituted and established under the provisions of the Haryana Housing Board Act, hereinafter referred to as the Act as extended to the Union Territory of Chandigarh. Stop. One of the functions amongst others, assigned to the board is to develop land and construct houses and flats and sell out them under a scheme to the general public. Stop. The board, in exercise of the power conferred by Section 74 of the Act, has made regulations known as Chandigarh Housing Board Allotment, Management and Sale of Tenements Regulations 1976, hereinafter referred to as the regulations. Stop. In the year 1986, the board floated a housing scheme for general public, for allotment of category first, second and third flats. Stop. The eligibility conditions as per terms and conditions laid down in the brochure were that the applicant should be either a domicile of Union Territory of Chandigarh or should have been a bona fide residence of Union Territory of Chandigarh for a period of at least 3 years on the date of submitting the application. Stop. On 3/3/87, the respondent herein, submitted an application to the board for allotment of category first flat. Stop. It is alleged that in the said application form, the respondent did not furnish any information against the relevant column number 13 regarding his being a bona fide resident of Chandigarh and his period of stay in Chandigarh. Stop. It is also alleged that in the sworn application form, the respondent did not state since when he was a bona fide resident of Chandigarh. Stop. Para. However, in column number 12 of the application form, the respondent stated that he is a domicile of Union Territory of Chandigarh. Stop. It is further alleged that on 20/10/1989, the board, on the premise that the respondent was a domicile of Union Territory of Chandigarh, allotted a second floor in the category first flats. Stop. Subsequently, on 1/7/91, the board asked the respondent to submit the domicile certificate or any other proof in that regard. Stop. In response to the said letter, the respondent, on 24/7/91 submitted a residential certificate dated 18/7/91. Stop. It is not disputed that the respondent did not furnish the certificate to the effect that he is a domicile of Union Territory of Chandigarh, and therefore, the board, on 30/9/91 again asked the respondent to furnish the particulars to determine his eligibility for the allotment of a flat. Stop. The respondent, in response to the said letter, furnished documents, that is copy of certificate showing his having passed 10+2 examination from St. Columbus School, New Delhi in 1982, copy of possession certificate dated 20/10/74 of an industrial plot number 182/14, industrial area, phase first, Chandigarh, allotted to Messrs. Frigiking Industries Private Limited, wherein the respondent claimed to have shares and also various income tax assessment orders beginning for the financial years 1986-87 to 1990-91. Stop. It further appears that the board was still not satisfied with the eligibility of the respondent for allotment of the flat and therefore the board on 17/11/92 again wrote to the respondent to furnish further information and document to satisfy his eligibility with regard to his residence.